MTRin channel. Channel O. F for Azure Kingfisher, a flash of blue. B for black-capped chickadee, with a cheerful tune. C for common redpoll, in winter's cold. D for duca finch, where stories are told. E for Eurasian magpie, with feathers of black. F for flammulated owl, hunting in the pack. G for Gray Partridge, in fields it roams. H for Honeycreeper, where nectar becomes home. I for Indian nightjar, in the night's embrace. J for Javanese Cuckoo, in tropical space. K for Critus hawk, soaring with pride. L for lesser yellow legs, where marches reside. M for missile thrush, in the misty morn. N for northern harrier, where grasses are worn. O for oriental platinco, on the wing it flies. C for pine siskin, under winter skies. Q for quetzalcoatl, in the jungle's deep. R for Regent Bowerbird, where treasures they keep. S for shrike, with a sharp eye glare. T for tawny pipit, in the open air. U for upland warbler, where hillsides bloom. V for violet tufted honeycreeper, in tropical gloom. W for white-fronted bee-eater, in the African heat. X for xanthus is swift, with wings fleet. We for yellow-tufted wood